Hello everyone, my name is Owen, and tonight I have the honor of giving the Best Man speech. I just want to start by thanking everyone for coming today and celebrating. Kind of going to go off script a little bit. Not really care to use that one for now. But so thank you everyone for coming again. Thank you, appreciate it. We're really excited to be able to celebrate Evan and hold on. Evan and Lauren. You got it. I'm there. I got you. Don't worry. Probably gonna stick to the cards at this point. I couldn't be more thrilled that today is finally here, that Lauren gets to show us all her wonderful dance moves that she's been practicing relentlessly for months. We're super excited. Go wild. So based on the 11 minutes of YouTube that I watched in preparation of this speech, I'm supposed to tell you about how great and how special and how caring Evan is. I may need a little help, because that's a big head only Lauren and Mother can hug. But in all honesty, it's hard for me to describe Evan and what he means to me. He's not just my little brother that sits on the far side of the couch in the basement and watches my friends and I play Xbox. He's not just the sweaty little kid that was forgetting his glove on the playground after some of my youth baseball games and we're running around in the rain looking for it. Or he's not even the freshman on the high school baseball team that's dragging me out to Mother for cussing during a hype pregame speech. Which worked, by the way, because we knocked it up. Thank you. He's, without a doubt, my best coaching partner and my best friend. I couldn't be more thankful to have a relationship with him. He's someone that I know will always support me, and I know I'll always be able to support him as well. Even through the countless fights that we've gotten into. And let's be honest, we got a couple hundred more in us, as long as you don't get soft on me in marriage. From the moment I met Lauren, I knew we'd all be here today celebrating this moment. Never has someone so effortlessly and perfectly fit to our little randomness of a family. Sorry, Austin. And we have God to thank for bringing Lauren to him and to us. And that's taking into account how ruthless of a pickleball partner she is. So it's probably as much as that side of the family in the room knows. I'm a pretty quiet guy. I don't tend to ramble very much and never dominate an unwitting conversation. So I'll wrap this speech up with this. Ravens rock, Eagles suck. Good luck, Evan and Lauren.